examination a parameter to judge your capabilities? Sometimes I really think that what if we had no examinations in our education system? What if all the students just kept on passing through grades year by year? I think we could have created a different scenario altogether. After their 10th, whichever stream they wanted to opt for, they would have taken some sort of entrance exams to check their aptitude, and that's it. Just by wiping examination off the face of our education system, we would have inculcated some better qualities in our children, some moral values, some character, some very good relationships, and no hollow competitions at all. We could have made our children better human beings inside out. Education ministers come and go, but the nation is waiting for one hero who has the guts to change the stereotypical system of education. When the government declared the cancellation of 10th boards 2021, the little fighters or stars or Einsteins reacted in confusion. These innocent little kids reacted strangely because we have made them feel that yes, exams are the parameters. Exams are the only aspect of their education. It's really sad, but yes, it is so. So meet these little corona warriors who were ready to attack when the war was declared cancelled.
पहले मेरे क्वेश्चन है और फिर प्लस करते हैं और इसके
मार भी जान भी दिया को बता 10th के एग्जाम ना कैंसिल हो गया। मेरे टाइम पे ऐसा ना है, मैं पढ़ के एग्जाम दे के ही पास हूँ।
यार माधवी तू भी ना अच्छी बात है एग्जाम कैंसिल होंगे। मैं तो चाहती हूँ मेरे टाइम पे भी ऐसे ही कुछ हो जाए और मेरे भी 10th के एग्जाम कैंसिल हो जाए, मैं ऐसे ही पास हो जाऊँ। कितना अच्छा होगा।
चलो देखते हैं क्या होता
I'm
है।
Radhika Madan, a student of class 12th Humanities, and I'm so not happy with the decision of delaying board exams. We literally have a future to plan, courses to choose, entrances to give, and by delaying the session we cannot focus either on the further part, and also the session has been so prolonged, we are so done with the syllabus and we can't give the exams. I totally understand it's really unsafe to give the exams during these corona times, but there should be an alternative like online exams or some assessment which should ensure our safety and also authenticity of marks as well.
Board exams for class 10th cancelled. You know what? I knew it. I knew this would happen. वैसे इट्स आयरोनिक कि लोगों को बाहर ऐसे घूमने में मास्क लगाने बिना मास्क लगाए कोरोना नहीं पकड़ेगा, एंड सिटिंग एट वन प्लेस गिविंग एग्जाम वुड लीड टू द कॉज ऑफ देयर डेथ. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स दिस वुड हैपन. देखना अभी सब भुगतेंगे, सब. यार क्या यार, साल बर्बाद. पढ़ाई
I am actually really disappointed on board's cancellation because like if they wanted to they could have allowed schools to hold final exams online, because like we worked for the past 2 to 3 months so much, and if they just take the pre-board results, many students will be disappointed because no one actually put that much effort into pre-boards. And since the classes were held online the whole year, we were also not that prepared for the pre-boards.
यही होता आ रहा है मिलॉर्ड, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख, तारीख पे तारीख मिलती रही है पर इंसाफ नहीं मिला मिलॉर्ड. मिली है तो बस तारीख, और अब तो वो तारीख भी नहीं रही. आइए जुबान बनते हैं उन बेजुबान बच्चों की जिनकी बोर्ड की परीक्षाओं से जुड़ी उम्मीद है चकनाचूर, चकनाचूर, चकनाचूर. जैसा कि आप सब 10वीं की परीक्षाएं रद्द और टाली गई 12वीं की परीक्षाओं के फैसले से वाकिफ ही होंगे, जो टॉपर्स के लिए श्राप और बैक बेंचर्स के लिए वरदान साबित है. हमारा मानना है कि यही बोर्ड की परीक्षाओं से विद्यार्थियों को अपनी काबिलियत पहचान कर भविष्य की ओर अग्रसर होने का एक सुनहरा मौका मिलता है. पूरे साल किया ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई का सामना और अंत में मिला सीबीएसई बोर्ड द्वारा आश्चर्यजनक, जिससे विद्यार्थी हो रहे हैं बेकाबू. बार बार यही पुकारे, 1 साल की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू। अंततः कोरोना का रोना गलत नहीं है, लेकिन परीक्षाएं रद्द कर देना ही नहीं था आखिरी रास्ता। बच्चों की है यही पुकार, एक और बार चिंतन मनन करे सरकार। जय हिंद।
स्टूडेंट्स कर रहे थे प्रोटेस्ट और बोर्ड ने आखिरकार सबकी सुनी ली एंड 10th क्लास के बोर्ड्स को कर दिया कैंसिल, 12th क्लास के बोर्ड्स को किया पोस्टपोन। अब ये डिसीजन जो है ये एक तरह से सबके हित में नहीं जा सकता, क्योंकि बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे थे जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे ताकि इस बार एटलीस्ट बोर्ड्स में वो अच्छा करे, और उनमें से एक मैं भी हूँ। तो ये डिसीजन पूरी तरह से हमारे लिए अच्छा नहीं कह सकते हैं, लेकिन देखते हैं बोर्ड आगे क्या करता है। कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव क्राइटेरियन की यहाँ पे बात की जा रही है, तो होपफुली सबके लिए अच्छा हो। एंड किसी के मार्क्स उसके प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस के बेस पर तो बिल्कुल भी डिसाइड नहीं होने चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत से ऐसे बच्चे जिन्होंने शायद अपने आप को इम्प्रूव भी किया होगा। सो देखते हैं क्या होता है। थैंक यू।
Hi guys, I'm Kavisha from class 10th and today I'll be giving my honest reviews on how I felt when CBSE board cancelled the 10th board examinations yesterday. Okay, so at first I was happy, excited because now I don't have to give examinations, so students' nature. But somewhere down the line, I still feel that one final examination should be conducted online for at least giving students a chance to really, get to their best limits. So it's not like, we seriously gave the pre-boards or something like, so students don't suffer with lower results. And that's that. Thank you.
Guys, this is Shreya Chok, a victim of the government's decision to cancel board exams 2021. They didn't even think about the amount of hard work most of us 10th class students put in studying and in preparing for these board examinations. They don't even think about the amount of nights we spend awake, and the amount of sunrises we have seen in even just the last 6 months because we were awake preparing and studying for these exams. And what result did we get? We get the result that these board exams are cancelled within moments, and just because for our safety. Like if our safety is that much important, they could have held these exams online. We were ready to give them, but no, they decided to cancel it. And it's like it puts our hard work to shame, and it just teaches us the lesson to never work hard again in our lives. They didn't even think about us, and it's not a good thing. It's not something that is expected from a government.
See, government has postponed the class 10th exam, which I think is a quite good decision, because nothing is more important than the safety and security of the students. So it is quite a good decision, and when the students are not taken any of the education through the traditional way, then it is making no sense that they should give the exam in traditional way. So it is a good decision of the government. Thank you.